Good morning, hope you're all having a great day. Right before I run, I'm actually just going to make a breakfast shake right now.
Oh, summer. It sounds good right now after what we just experienced, doesn't it? Grilling out, lawns being mowed, and pools opening. These are some of the things we expect with summer.
For the breakfast shake, I just put some ice cubes in there, put some almond milk, put some water. I put like half a cup of oatmeal, and then I put some like protein energy stuff that I sometimes take, don't usually take it that much, maybe just on the weekends. So I'm gonna drink that, and then I'm just gonna go for a quick run. So I figured it'd be time to give you all a house tour since I've not done that yet. Right when we walk in up the steps, we have the kitchen area. We have a great working dishwasher. It actually caused a lot of problems, caused a water problem, actually was dripping down into my room, so we had to get that removed, and we'll actually be getting shelving in there. Yeah, just have typical kitchen, I guess. Over here, we actually have another room that's actually not being used. I guess someone was living in here before I moved in. And yeah, that kind of sucked because someone was out here making breakfast. Be a lot of noise. Coming into the family room area, we have the fridge, and this fridge actually had to get moved because of the water problem that was caused by the washer. Then going in over here, we have two bedrooms. Got one right there and another one right there. Then we have the bathroom. And going downstairs, if I go all the way down here, we have a bedroom where Jalen is staying in, and then we actually just have a bathroom in here. Definitely not as good as the one upstairs. Then in here we have a washer and dryer. Looks like a dungeon down here. We have some like weird spare room over there. Don't know what that's used for. And then over here I just put some of my stuff because of the water problem. And we have my room in here. And then that is kind of where the water was leaking from. It went from down all the way down here. Got a lot of my stuff wet, got the beanbag wet, and then kind of just puddled into this area over here. So yeah, that is a tour of the house I'm living in. It's about the middle of July, so I don't have too much longer staying in this house, as I'll probably only be staying in here until the beginning of August. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.